If you have to get a flat tire, it's always best to do it near a roadside chaiwala. As we rode into Bikaner, we started seeing more and more camels on the road. Bikaner is home to the world's largest camel market and an annual camel festival dedicated to camels, also known as the Ship of the Desert. When we arrived at our hotel, we quickly parked the scooters and grabbed a tuk-tuk to see the sights. The first stop was the Mandawa Jain Temple. The temple was built in 1468 and is dedicated to the 5th Jain Tirthankar. The interior is stunning, with every surface covered in carved and painted stone. Next, we joined in on a little pre-Holi color festival celebration at the Lakshmi Nath Hindu temple. The Old City Bikaner market is a twisting labyrinth of commerce and community. We couldn't resist a quick street samosa. They are delicious, and at only 10 rupees each, you might as well have another. And finally, we visited the Lalgarh Palace. The palace was commissioned in 1896 by the Maharaja Ganja Singh. The palace is a wonderful example of Indo-Saracenic style architecture and is still a working hotel and museum. And then it was back to the hotel to get ready for another day of riding tomorrow.